Hello everyone, Happy New Year! Welcome to ZW3D YouTube live channel. I'm Victoria. Thank you all for joining us today. I'm so excited to announce that in the coming 3 days, we will host 3 live programs to share you about the ZW3D 2020, and we will share the performances and the functions in CAD, Mode, and CAM module. So if you don't want to miss the live programs, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the reminder. Okay, today is the first day of our ZW3D 2020 live programs, and now I've invited Juno Chen, our CAD expert with multiple years experiences in mechanical engineering. So he will be the presenter today. So now let's welcome Juno.
Hello, Victoria.
Hi, Juno. So before your presentation, could you please introduce yourself to us?
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Juno from ZW3D Technical Team. Nice to meet you here. Before joining the ZW3D team, I was a mechanical engineer working on precision machinery design. It really helped us a lot with the parametric modeling. Now I'm focusing on CAD support.
So thank you, Juno. I believe that designing the plastic machinery must be a very interesting job. So I believe also you must create a lot of amazing things before. So this is the first time the ZW3D team hold live programs in YouTube channel, and you are the first engineer to present at this platform. So what's your feeling today?
I feel very excited. And I'm gonna to share the CAD module in ZW3D 2020, including the product design, assembly design, and the translator.
Thank you, Juno. Sounds so fantastic. During our live streaming, besides the presentation, we also prepare abundant gifts for the participants who engage with us. So I believe that all of you can't wait to hear Juno sharing about CAD module. Now let's welcome Juno to start his sharing.
Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to our LIV program. This is my first time to do the LIV program. I'm very excited now. Hope all your guys will be interested in it. Okay. Now let me show you the features about ZW3D 2020. In ZW3D 2020, our target is to tackle more complex design. To achieve this goal, we have developed a lot of good new features and developments. Okay, I will show you more details in the last 30 minutes. First, I will show you how to do the design for a proper case, and then is the modeling highlights. And then I will tell the assembly design, including the animation, the 2D draft, the standard parts, and the 3D bombs. And we also have a lot of surprising tools in 2D drawing and translator. Now, let's begin. I will talk about the proper case to show you how to do the design. First, I will let you know our parametric modeling. We can use the parameter to drive the design. Let's see how it do it in the software. Okay, I double click to edit this part. Now I want to modify its size in this window. I modify its length to 60, and then for the thickness, I modify its value from 1.5 to 3. After that, I will regenerate this model. See, the length and the thickness has been changed. It's convenient for you to create a series design with this function. Okay, and then let's talk about the user-defined feature. We call it UDF. Now I want to modify this shell. I want to edit its fillet, and then remove some features I don't need. After that, I want to insert the logo I use frequently. With the several operations, I can manage them in the config table. Now, let's see it. Okay, now let me open this part to edit it. Now I want to edit the fillet. Here, you can see I can use the modify command to modify the fillet from 5 to 8. It's okay. You don't need to care about the history. And then I want to remove this feature. Just remove it with our direct edit. After that, I want to insert the logo. I use our UDF function because I need to use it frequently, so I set it as the user-defined feature. See, it's very convenient for you to create the logo. Now I created a config name ZW3D to manage the two kinds of the product and suppress some features I don't need in the default config. And you can double click to switch these two kinds of product. See, that's the result. After that, let's back to the assembly space. Okay, now I want to use another config to of the part in this assembly. Just click it. It will change. So it's very convenient for you to manage different kinds of product in one file. So let's continue. Okay, it is about the web function. If you think it's difficult for you to create some features on the surface, I think this function can help you a lot. So now let's see how it works. Normally, I will double click to edit this part, just like before. And then I need to create some panel shape, just like this. Okay, after that, I can use our web command. Okay, pick the features I will need to web, and then they will web on the surface automatically. I think it will save you much time during your design, because a complex operation, you don't need to operate in the software. You don't need to think much about that. That's about our handle. You can modify the fillet, modify the post on the surface. Very convenient. It's a powerful feature, right? Okay, last is the flange with profile. It is a new feature in ZW3D 2020. The flange can be customized in one sketch. That means you can create a complex flange in a sketch. Let's see how it do that. Now I modify this sheet metal part, and now I want to add the flange with profile command. Pick an edge on the model, and then edit the profile. Now I want to do the extrude cut on the corner, so I draw a rectangle first, just like that. And then I use the power trim to trim the lines I don't need. See? And then add the fillets around these curves. After that, I need to add some holes for assemble. So I need to draw 2 cycles in this sketch. See, just like this. After complete, just back to the 3D model space. See, a complex flange is complete. Let's back to the assembly space. You can see now I created this flange with the flange command and do the extrude cut, add the fillets and add 2 holes. Several operations can be complete in one sketch, so it's very convenient for you to complete some complex flange with this new feature. Okay, now you have known that ZW3D 2020 can tackle more complex design. What do you think about it? Welcome to tell us in the comment dialogue. Now we will have a break for a few minutes, and the surprises are waiting for you.
Hello everyone, I'm back. So now this is the first round of our lucky draw today. During our presentation, we will have 3 rounds of lucky draws. So in which we will pick some winners from our engaged participants. Okay, now this is the first round, and we will pick 5 winners to win the 3D standard license for 3 months usage. The 3D standard features advanced CAD functions such as sheet metal and reverse engineering, advanced assembly. Okay, now Juno, let's pick up who is the lucky guy today.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, let's see who is the lucky guy today.
Okay, I will pick the first lucky guy of this one. Okay, let's see who is he. Okay, congratulations
to Drew Shetty.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. So now let's pick a second one.
Okay. Okay, see who is the second one. Okay.
The second lucky guy is Aaron Bake.
So
congratulations
to Aaron Bake.
Okay, now the third one.
Okay, let's see who is the third one. Okay, the third one is
Max Chamberlain. Congratulations. Okay, let's see who is the fourth one.
Okay, fourth one of the lucky guy is.
It's empty? Okay, now,
okay, now let's pick again. Okay.
Let's see who is the fourth lucky guy today. Noel Jones. Congratulations. Okay, last one of this round.
Okay, the last one of this one. Let's see.
Marek. Congratulations to Marek.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to all of you, and we will contact you later and send you the gift in a week. So for those audiences who didn't get the free prizes, don't worry, we still have 2 rounds of lucky draw. Now I would like to hand the platform to Juno to continue his sharing on CAD module. Let's welcome.
Okay, hi guys, welcome back. So beside the corporate case, there are many modeling highlights in ZW3D. Now let me talk more about that now. The first one is the embossment. Okay, see there is a beautiful flower on the model, right? It is created by embossing. It is easy to convert the image onto the surface. All of them are automatically. So let's see it right now. This is the model I created. So now I use another side to create it. Click this command and select an image. Pick the surface. Set the size. And then set the resolution. Just like that. Okay, after that you just click OK. See, a beautiful flower I created on the surface. It's very beautiful and powerful, right? I think this feature is very useful in the furniture manufacturing. So if you are in this industry, I think you will happy to look this, right? Okay, let's continue. It is the warp offset command. It is also a new feature in ZW3D 2020. See, it can create the warp offset surface approximately to the original ones. Okay, let's see how it do that. This is the surface I want to offset. Just click the command, pick all the surface you want. Okay, now set the offset value. As for other parameter, you can keep it blank. Okay, just click it. You can see the surface are created. These surfaces are very smooth and the quality is very good. And you may mention just now, the original surface there are some holes in it, but after creating the offset surface, all of them are filled. So that's one of our specific options. All the holes can be filled automatically with this command. So you don't need to care about whether the surface has holes or the quality is good or not. Okay. After you created the 3D model, you may need to do the assembly design, especially if you do the mechanical design. You need to do that. Okay. First, I will tell you the flexible and interactive design. I will let you know about our animation, the export view, and we can tell you that in ZW3D 2020, we can do the flexible sub-assembly. It is a new version in 2019. So you can see how it works in the software now. Now, I want to create the export widget, double click it. Okay, and you can also view the export view while animation. See, you can see the export step by step. And if you want to create some complex animation, just click it, click OK. Okay, now I want to show you the animation in this assembly. They can view with different angle, and you can also export them one by one. Okay, after that you can see the inner parts, how it actually works in this assembly. See, they are running. Okay, during this time you can also record this animation and export it to the video. Send this video to your other department or your customer to show your design. That will improve your design efficiency. Okay, I want to show you our auto hole match. It is a new feature in ZW3D 2020. Okay, after you constrain the components, you need to insert some standard parts. With auto hole match, the bolts and the nuts can be constrained automatically. Okay, now let's see. This is our ZW3D standard part library. Now I want to insert some bolts in it. Shows the size and the length. Now I want to insert the bolts in this hole on the surface. So I pick a surface and use the hole filter to pick some specific holes to insert the bolts, because not all the holes are suitable for this bolt size. Now you can see only 4 holes are insertables, because these holes are diameter is between 16 to 17. They are suitable for these bolts. Okay, with this function, you don't need to add the constraints step by step after you insert the standard parts. It also can improve your design efficiency. Now, I will talk about the part solution. You already knew our standard part library just now. If you think it's not enough, you can use our third-party library, the part solutions. Okay, we have 2 versions for the part solution, the free one and the paid one. In the paid one, we can have additional 17 national standards. Okay, let's see. The part solutions are in the application tab. Okay, clearly see, this is the 17 national standard parts. Now I also want to insert the bolts in it. Okay, you can double click it. You can view it in this window, and you can also see the technical details here. Now I chose a size according to the diameter and the length. and then transfer it in ZW3D. After that, you can pick a point to locate the path you insert, just like this. Okay. And you can also use the same ways to insert other components. Okay, so far I have introduced a lot of highlight features about ZW3D. Okay, what do you think about it? Now, let's have a break for a few minutes again. And the second one, lucky draw, are waiting for you.
Hey guys, I'm back. So this is the second round of our lucky draw. So in this round, we will pick 3 winners to win ZW3D standard license for 6 months. Is it attractive, you know?
Yes, I think so. Normally, ZW3D offer free trial for 30 days. I think 6 months is a very long time. It's long enough for the users to design many projects.
It sounds so great. So now let's pick the lucky guy of this round.
Okay, this one.
Let's see.
Who is the first lucky guy of this one?
Okay, congratulations to Nicola Ponzoni. Congratulations. Okay, now the second one.
Okay, the second one of the lucky guy is
Samuel Lee. Congratulations to Samuel Lee.
Congratulations.
Okay, the last one of this round.
Okay, let's guess who is the last one of this one. Okay.
Tony. Congratulations to Tony.
Congratulations.
So congratulations to all of you, and we will contact you later and send you the gift in the week. So I hope the 6 months ZW3D 2020 standard license could be a good helper for the CAD design. So now I will turn the platform to Juno to continue his sharing.
Okay. Hello everyone, let's continue our introduction of ZW3D. Okay, after you finish your assembly design, you may need to export a list to other departments or your customers. Okay, in this time, the 3D bone can help you a lot because it can list the attribute of the components in it and export it as an Excel file. Okay, let's see. This is the 3D bone of our software, and you can see the attributes are listed here. If you want to add another one, you can check it on the right. The designer, the bone structure. Okay, and if you want to modify it, just double click and type something in it, just like that. And you can also pick a type in the drop down list. After complete, you can export it as an Excel file. See, now after you export, all the attributes you want to list are export here. And there is one more thing I want to tell you, is that you can also customize the template of the Excel file so that you can define the template according to your company standard. Just one click, you can export the attribute like that. It's very convenient for your work. Okay, after you complete the 3D entities modeling, the 2D drawing and translator can help you a lot. With the 2D drawing, it can speed up your dimensioning, and the translator, you can import or export many kinds of formats. So let's see. First, I want to introduce to you is our auto dimension and auto drafting. It can generate the dimension automatically and the 2D jobs in benches. It saves you much time in the 2D drawing design. Okay, let's see. This is the auto dimension. Just select a view and pick a basic point. Now you can see all the dimensions are created, including the length, the size of the hole. All of them are created. You don't need to create it again. It saves you much time. And based on the auto dimension feature, we also have the auto drafting. In the auto drafting, you can see we can pick some components you want to create the 2D sheet. And then you can also set the sheet name and the sheet size. Now I want to add the surface of the sheet name. See, all of them are at the surface with the name auto. Okay, after that I want to change the size of the 2D sheet. For example, I select the A3 size. Okay, that's about it. And then is the view. You can choose if show the hidden line or not. And then is the dimension tab. Pick the view you need to create the dimensions and pick the size of the dimension. The final one is the bone table. We can also create the bone table on the assembly 2D sheet. Okay. See, now all of the 2D sheets and the views are created. You can see the views, the dimensions, and the bone table are listed in the 2D drafting. All of them are created automatically in one command. We don't need to do any other job. Okay, that's about the 2D drawing. And last, I want to tell you about our translator. In the translator, this is the formats we can import and export. All of them are listed here. What I want to highlight is that we can import the 2D drawing of CATIA and SolidWorks. And then we can also directly export the CATIA V4 and 5 files and the 3D PDF. And we also have one special function called multi-export and import. That means you can import several kinds of files in the project in one time, and you can also export the model to several kinds of formats in one time. Now, let me show you something about the translator. First, I want to tell you the PMI and created the 2D drawing. This is the PMI in the 3D model. I can inherit it in the 2D drawing, just like this. You can see once I created the 2D drawing, the dimensions are created. You don't need to create it again. So also convenient, right? And then I want to export the 3D model with the multi-export. Okay, now I chose the several kinds of formats I need to export, including the 3D PDF. You can see all of them are export in one time. Now I open the PDF, the 3D PDF with the Adobe Acrobat. You can see the models and dimensions can be seen here. With this function, you can export your model with 3D PDF. In this way, you can send it to other departments or your customers. Even they don't install the 3D software, they can view the model and the dimensions. It's very convenient for them. Okay, that's all about the introduction of ZW3D CAD today. Let's review what I talked about just now. First, I show you how to design a corporate case with the parametric modeling, the direct edit, and insert some features with our UDF. And you can also create some complex feature with our web command. About the modeling highlights, we have the embossment and rough offset. In assembly design, we can create the animation and use the auto home mesh to constrain the fasteners, very convenient. After you finish your design, you can use our 3D bone to export the Excel format. And last is 2D drawing and translator. I think the auto dimension and auto drafting can help you a lot. And we have the multi-export and import features. It's very powerful, right? Now, let's come to our Q&A session. If you have any questions about it, today's introduction, you can ask me. Okay, now we get some questions about in the common dialogue. Let's see what's that. Okay, the first question is that, can ZW3D do rendering? Yes, ZW3D can do the rendering, but it's the basic one. But we also have cooperation with the Keyshot. So you can also transfer our model to Keyshot directly to do the rendering. I think it's very convenient and powerful enough for you to do the rendering. Okay, and the second question is that about the embossment. Some users wonder that if it is add the material on the basic body. Yes, as you can see just now, we can convert the image to the surface. It is a raise effect. By the way, you can also create the sunken effect on the shape. It's not just an image. On the model, there is a shape. You can add the features in it. Okay. Another question about ZW3D is that they want to know what kinds of lessons we offer, subscription or permanent lessons. Here, I want to tell you that we offer the permanent lessons. Once you buy it, you can use it forever. Okay, any other question? Okay, now we didn't get any other question. If you have other question, you can leave a message on the comment dialogue. Okay, now let's go to our last one of lucky draw.
Hey guys, I'm back. So what about sharing today? I learned a lot from it, and I hope all of you can enjoy using Z3D to tackle more complex design. So this is the last round of our lucky draw today, and in this time we will pick one winner to win a 12-month license for the 3D standard. So it values more than $1,500. So now let's pick who is the luckiest guys today.
Okay, let's see who is the luckiest guy of the day. Let's see who is that?
That is Li Ding. Congratulations!
Li Ding, congratulations. Okay, tomorrow we will continue our mode introduction. Welcome to join us tomorrow. Okay,